Hi, this is Dave from Clever Rain Technologies. In this video, we'll be covering an overview of the Droplet Engine admin panel. You start by logging into the Droplet Engine admin panel at admin.cleverrain.com. Let's do that now. When we log into the Droplet Engine admin panel, we'll see that there are 7 tabs across the top. These are Home, Account, Design, Rules, Analytics, Store, and Support. The home page that you'll see first gives you some details about your account, as well as providing quick links for designing a droplet and defining rules. Let's take a look at Account next. From the Account tab, you have an overview of your account, as well as the ability to create and delete administrators. Now, when you signed up for your droplet account, you just provided a website and an email address, and that's your primary account information. Now you're going to want to update some additional information within your account, like your company name and account name, and potentially your website platform, as well as contact information. The administrators control allows you to create new administrators, and that simply takes a new email address for the user login and a password. The Design tab is all about designing droplets. And a droplet is the content that you're going to use to engage your visitors. From this page, you'll be able to create a new droplet, view templates, and templates are really the content that you're going to display to that visitor, and then view the media library. Let's take a look at the media library first. Droplet Media Library is a place where you upload images that you can then use in your templates. So remember this new Hawaii image. So we're going to use this new Hawaii image in a template, which we've already created, called Hawaii Trip. In this particular droplet template, we have the Hawaii Trip image, as well as adding in a few forms controls for name, email, and mobile phone, so that we're going to engage the visitor with a form for them to fill out. When we actually look at what a droplet includes, and we'll take a look at this Hawaii Trip droplet, a droplet is a droplet template that you had defined with the images from the image library, from the media library, as well as some details. For instance, should I email the owner of this particular form once this visitor submits data, and what effects we might want to have on that particular droplet. We'll get into this in more detail in other videos. Next, let's take a quick look at rules. Rules are where you define how and when you're going to engage your visitors. A rule is like a salesperson that observes your visitor and then chooses to engage that visitor with a set of content. That would be the droplet. You define new rules from this particular page, and what the rules allow you to do is basically answer a set of questions around when you want to engage, what droplet you want to use, which page you want to engage your visitor on, and then some other specifics for easily defining how and when you want to engage that visitor. Additionally, from this location, you'll be able to define search keywords, and search keywords tie into any kind of search terms that may have come along with how that visitor found your site. Again, we'll get into this in detail in other videos. The Analytics tab is the place where you'll want to look for how many visitors have been visiting your site, how droplets are being used and executed, and which rules are running most often. And you'll see Monitored Visitor Summary shows the visitor activity on the particular site. Droplet Usage shows how many droplets are being presented to visitors and how many are being fulfilled, how many forms are being completed, and the Rule Summary, how often those particular rules are running. Let's take a quick look now at the store. The Droplet Store is the place where you'll want to go if you want to buy additional droplets or you want to purchase templates to use in engaging your visitors. Here you can also upgrade your subscription. Lastly, we'll take a look at Support. And the Support tab is where you're going to want to go to answer any questions or to contact us regarding any questions. Here you'll find the Droplet User Guide, our frequently asked questions, our forums, and our contact forms. That completes our overview of the admin panel, and thank you very much.